In this video, you will learn how to use Ethnicraft Outdoor Teak Cleaner. Specifically designed to safely deep clean and restore the original color of outdoor teak items, Ethnicraft Outdoor Teak Cleaner also works to brighten weathered teak. The formula is eco-friendly and water-based. For all safety information, always refer to the instructions on the bottle. You will need eye protection, rubber gloves, protection for the working surfaces, clean water, a sponge or soft cloth, an Ethnicraft Outdoor Teak Cleaner, and the included green scrubbing pad. First, ensure eye protection and rubber gloves are worn when using this product. Before cleaning, cover and protect all working surfaces. Since we are doing this demonstration outside, we did not need to use protection. But if you are working in an indoor area or on a terrace that needs to be protected, ensure you cover and protect all working surfaces. Shake the bottle well before use. Use clean water to thoroughly rinse down furniture. While still damp, evenly apply Ethnicraft Outdoor Teak Cleaner with a soft cloth or sponge to the item. Allow to soak for 3 minutes. Using the included green scrubbing pad, gently brush the furniture clean, working in the direction of the wood grain. Rinse well with clean water. For increased water repellence, stain protection, or to slow the natural gray patina of weathered teak, use Ethnicraft Outdoor Teak Protector on completely dry furniture.